Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing something a little bit different, but I've been fixing up old axes, hafting, and learning since, I don't know, about July in the summer. And anyways, though, I made like this frame saw out of old axe handles. And this axe handle here actually was this Ward's Master Quality. Has pretty bad pole damage. I started cleaning it up a little bit, but my wife picked it up for me at a flea market, and that's what was on this, but it was all chewed up. Bunch of overstrikes, so I couldn't use the handle. Yeah, that's what you paid for, $10. So that's one, and this one here on the right, it's a little hard to see, but this axe handle came off of a plum. Here's the end of it. It's pretty chewed up also, overstriking. But it was plum 3.5 pound, which this one's actually going out to trade, but that's what was on there. So it's not like I'm taking good axe handles and ruining them. I'm using ones that have no life left in them. This one actually was a handle that I found in the garage when we first bought the place. But yeah, I just got a paracord wrapped around it. Still got to burn these ends over here. And I notched this out with the Japanese style saw from Harbor Freight, and put the bevels on it with the Shinto rasp. Took a little like small rasp and put grooves in here and a rat tail file for the paracord. And this, I don't even know what it's called, but the thing here that tightens it up is made from a piece of old flooring that was left in here. But and then, kind of hard to do this with GoPro, but I put brass screw and brass nut. They didn't have any wing nuts, but I'll order some brass wing nuts online and put that on there. Also, the blade is 30 inches long. I don't know if I needed to go that big, but I did. 24-inch would be fine. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And let me get this camera set up and we'll test it, see how it works. Yeah, I'd say it works pretty good. Let's try it again. Start with a pull. Heck yeah. Now I got a frame saw, buck saw, whatever you want to call it, 30-inch, out of old scrap wood or axe handles. Blade was like $6.99, and I had a bunch of paracord laying around. A couple bucks for the brass hardware.